Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix live wallpaper battery drain. First of all, you need to remove the live wallpaper from your device. So this is a live wallpaper. Let me show you. Okay, then you need to use a static image. For this, go to settings, wallpaper and style, change wallpaper. So here I am going to select this image. Next, tap on done. And you need to enable power saving mode. For this, go to settings, tap on battery, scroll down. Here you can see the option power saving. You need to turn on this option. Live wallpaper can consume more battery than static image. Switching to regular wallpaper often improve the battery life. So simply in this way we can fix the live wallpaper battery drain issue on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.